What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Acorns investments. Acorns is a revolutionary investment platform that makes it easy for anyone to start investing and grow their wealth. With its seamless automation and micro investing features, Acorns empowers users to build long-term financial security without the hassle. Now, let's discuss its key features. Smart investing. Acorns provides a simple and user-friendly platform that makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background or experience. The platform's intuitive interface guides users through the process of setting up an investment account, selecting their risk tolerance, and choosing from a variety of investment portfolios. Once the account is set up, Acorn takes care of the rest, using a computer algorithm to manage and diversify investments across portfolio of exchange-traded funds based on the user's preferences. This automated approach allows users to start investing with as little as $5 without the hassle of actively managing their portfolio or making complex investment decisions. Acorn's simplicity and ease of use make it an attractive option for those who want to start investing but may be intimidated by traditional investment platforms. Roundups investments. For Acorns checking account customers, the Roundups investments are transferred to their investment account immediately after each purchase rather than waiting until the spare change reaches $5. This feature, known as real-time roundups, allows the money to be invested sooner, giving it more time in the market to potentially grow. By investing the spare change as soon as it's accumulated, real-time roundups maximize the potentials for compound growth, which is the process of earning returns on returns over time. This can lead to a larger investment balance in the long run compared to waiting until a certain threshold is reached before investing. Highly rated ETFs. Acorns invest user funds in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds that are carefully selected and monitored by investment professionals. These ETFs provide exposure to a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, helping to manage risk and potentially generate long-term returns. Acorns investment portfolios are designed to align with different risk profiles, ranging from conservative to aggressive, allowing users to choose an option that matches their risk tolerance and investment goals. By investing in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, Acorns aims to reduce the impact of market volatility and provide a smoother investment experience for its users. Automated investing. By automating the investment process and allowing users to invest small amounts regularly, Acorns helps users build wealth over time. The platform's features, such as roundups and real-time roundups, make it easy for users to consistently contribute to their investments, giving their money the opportunity to compound and grow. Compound growth is the process of earning returns on returns, which can lead to significant growth over time. For example, if an investor contributes $100 per month and earns 7% annual return, their investment balance could grow to over $200,000 in 30 years, assuming no fees or taxes. By making investing easy and accessible, Acorns empowers users to take control of their financial future and build long-term wealth. Now, when it comes to security, Acorns employs a multi-layered approach to ensure the security and safety of user data and investments. The platform utilizes industry-standard encryption, secure servers, and regular security audits to protect against potential threats. Acorns also complies with relevant financial regulations, conducts third-party audits, and provides employee training to maintain the integrity of user data. Additionally, the company uses robust authentication measures, secure communication channels, and regularly updates its software to stay ahead of emerging security risks. By implementing these comprehensive security measures, Acorns aim to offer its user a secure and reliable platform for managing their investment and personal financial information. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Acorns operate on a subscription-based fee structure with fees varying based on membership tiers. While the platform promotes itself as a low-fee option, the annual percentage fees can be relatively high, especially for investors with lower balances. The $1 per month fee for accounts under $5,000 translates to a 2.4% annual fee on a $500 account, which is much higher than what traditional financial advisor would charge. This fee structure can significantly impact the long-term growth of smaller investments and accounts. Acorns offer a limited number of investment options primarily focused on a selection of exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Users are not able to choose individual stocks or other investment vehicles, which means they have less control over the composition of their portfolio. This limited investment selection may not align with the needs or preferences of more experienced investors who seek greater customization and diversification options. The Acorns platform does not provide personalized investment advice to users. While the app's algorithm-based portfolio recommendations are based on the user's risk tolerance and investment goals, it does not offer the level of personalized guidance and financial planning that a human financial advisor could provide. This may be a drawback for investors who are seeking more comprehensive financial advice and guidance to help them achieve their long-term financial goals. Acorns provides a user-friendly platform that makes investing accessible to everyone with features like automated micro-investing and diversified portfolio of ETFs. While Acorns may have some limitations compared to more comprehensive financial planning, it can be a convenient and educational way of beginners to start building long-term wealth. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.